Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay guys, as you know that today we are going to do speaking examination, that is speech about agree or disagree. Okay, and then we have list of participants. We have Rahma, Fazia, Adinda, Raisha, Kirana, Naira, Keina, Trias, Serina, and Uda. And the first speaker we have Rahma. Please, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me opportunity to be here. My name is Rahma Ali Anissa from Class D, LKP Mr. D, Batch 23. School provide 3 lines for all students. Does your school provide free food?
No.
This is agree with argue because one reduce the economic burden of families. Providing free lines helps families with economic difficulty to instill a healthy lifestyle. School can provide a balanced and healthy menu according to nutrition and goodness. 3. Increase student attendance and participation. Children are more motivated to come to school if they know they will get a free lunch. Sesi Q&A.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Adinda Tabibina Nurmawa. I would like to ask for Rahma. What are the benefits of free lunch for students?
Thank you for Adinda for your question. Addressing the problem of malnutrition and stunting, support child growth and helping the family economy. Conclusion. Free lunch. Adinda, enough?
Yes, enough.
Conclusion. Free lunch program support learning, reduce the burden on families, and create a healthy and equitable school environment for all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, thank you so much Rama for the performance and Adinda for the question, yeah. So now let's continue to the next participant. We have Fazia. Please, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Ms. Delis who has given me the opportunity here. My name is Fajiana Fakultas Ahmadiana from Class 3 at LKP Mr. D, Batch 23. Today, I will present my speech entitled Students Learn About Politics in School. Are you guys think politics is important?
Yes, it is.
We know that politics is different between Pancasila education in school because Pancasila education is a subject of how we become a good citizens of the country, while politics is the way in which power is divided and used within a group or country to achieve certain goals. I agree with this statement. First, because students should know the laws that apply in our country. We know that students at senior high schools is already legal to participate in the general election. So, students must learn about politics in school to provide an overview of how we choose a good leader and how we participate in the general election as a good and honest for them. Second, why school must to give the students about politics? Because children will be easily influenced by a thought or stigma, so schools must teach about politics so that students are not carried away by money politics and students are not easily fooled. And the last is learning to have an opinion and healthy discussion. Politics teaches us how to have an open opinion without attacking others. We also learn to listen to others even though we have different views. This is important for everyday life because it can improve our public speaking. Okay, now Q&A session is open.
Hello, my name is Kainananda. I would like to ask question for Fazia. My question is, are you think politics is very important to be one of the subject in school? This is my question. Thank you.
Thank you, Kaina, for the question. In my opinion, politics is very important to be taught, to be learned at school because we know that politics is very influential for life. So children must be learn politics so that they are not carried away by negative politics. That's all from me. Is it enough, Kaina?
Enough.
Thank you for the question, Kaina. Bentar, Miss.
Okay, conclusion and closing.
Okay, therefore, we must teach children about political condition and how not to easily get carried away by things that are not in accordance with the law, because the future of the nation is in the hands of the younger generation. Maybe that's all from me. I apologize if I made any mistakes. Thank you for listening me. Have a good day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you so much, Fazia, for your performance and Kaina for the question, yeah? And now, the next participant, we have Adinda. Please, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me opportunity to be here. Today, I would like to present about agree or disagree, school provide mental health support. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adinata Binanurmawa from class D in LKP Mr. D batch 23. Okay. Guys, do you know about mental health?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Mental health is a person's emotional, psychological, and social condition. It affects how we think, feel, especially when facing stress or challenges. Many students face difficulties such as academic pressure, bullying, family problems, or social anxiety. Since students spend most of their time at school, school is the ideal place to provide support. I strongly agree that schools should provide mental health support. The first, these supports help students feel heard and understood. Many students struggle in silence because they don't know who to talk to. When school offers mental health support, students have someone they can trust. This makes them feel less alone and more confident in dealing with their problems. And the second, it creates a safe environment. When schools provide mental health support, students feel support and more comfortable sharing their feelings. It also helps reduce bullying and builds trust within the school community. The third, it helps students achieve success. Mental healthy students can focus better in class, feel more confident, and perform well in school. Without support, their academic performance may decline. And now, Q&A season is open.
Okay, hello. My name is Kiran Alpata Agnia. I would like to ask you a question. My question is, what are the benefits of school having to provide mental health support? That's my question. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the question, Kirana. I will answer for your question. Benefit for schools should provide mental health support. The first, improve academic performance, safe and support an environment, and lower rise of bullying. The answer is enough, Kirana?
Enough.
Okay. The conclusion, mental Mental health support at school is very important to help students grow emotionally, socially, and academically. And that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Adinda for your performance. That's really great. And Kirana for the question, yeah. Okay, guys, the next participant we have Raisha. Please, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me the opportunity to be here. My name is Raisya Poujia Farid. I want to present and the title Schools Have More Field Trips. Have you ever been on a study tour, guys?
Yes, I have.
Yes.
Study tour is a learning activity while observing a place. I agree about study tour because if we cannot go for a walk with our family, we can go for a walk with friends. And with study tour, we can remember our school days. That way, we can save money every day. We can learn Borobudur Temple directly, not only from the books. And with study tour, we can learn independence. So study tour not only from the holiday side, but study tour is an education session. Now it is question session.
My name is Trias Johazni. I want to ask to Raisa, what is an example of the positive and negative effects of a study tour?
Thank you, Trias. I will answer from your question. The positive effects is an experience and the negative effects is burdening for parents. Enough, Trias?
Enough.
Okay. The conclusion, study tour has advantage as the advantage. We have can manage our attitude. Maybe that's all for me. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, that's great. Thank you, Raisha, for your performance and Trias for the question, yeah. And now, the next speaker we have Kirana. Please, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me opportunity to be here. My name is Kirana Patagnia from Class D in FH Chemistry Batch 23. Now I want to explain the title is School Provide Laptop for Every Student. Okay guys, do you agree if every student get a laptop from school?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
I agree if every student gets a laptop from school because the world of education is already very connected to technology. Laptops are an important tool in learning. There are three reasons. The first is support digital learning. Laptops make it easier to access the internet, books, videos, and learning platforms. Learning becomes more flexible and interactive. Especially for online class. The second is equal access to technology. Not all students have devices at home. Providing laptop ensure equal learning opportunity for everyone, regardless of economic background. The third is text efficiency. Assignment can be type-safe and submit faster. Students can also use learning apps to help them better understand the material. Okay, guys, open Q&A session.
Hi, my name is Rahma Alia Anissa. I would like to ask you a question. My question is not it it expensive for school to buy laptop for all students?
Okay, thank you, Rahma. Permission to answer question. It is expensive, but it is an investment for the future of education. It can be through government assistance. Enough, Rahma?
Enough.
Okay, thank you. And the last conclusion, providing laptop to all students make education more equitable. Uh, Laptop to all students make education more equitable. Technology is no longer an option, but a society school must dare to innovate for the future. Okay, guys, that's all for me. I apologize and make thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Kirana, thank you for your performance. That's great. And Rahma for the question, yeah? And now, the next speaker, we have Naira. Please, time is yours. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
To say thank you to Miss Delis for the opportunity to be here. To present my speech entitled is Students Are Allowed to Grade Their Teacher. Guys, have you ever given a grade to your teacher?
Yes, I have.
I agree that students should be allowed to evaluate their teacher. The reason I agree, the first, student assessment can provide teachers with valuable insight to improve their teaching method, as well as ways to become better teachers. Second, if teachers implement positive methods that are expected based on student feedback, it can result in a more engaging and effective learning experience for students. The third, when students feel heard and free to express themselves, they will be more likely to listen to their teachers both in lesson and in other discussion. Now, Q&A session is open.
My name is Uliana Kapipa. I want to ask you something. What is the best way to give advice to a teacher?
Thanks for your question, Ulia. The answer is with good delivery, polite, and easy to understand. Is this enough, Ulia? In conclusion, student assessment for teachers can be a great tool to improve the quality of education, so that teachers can encourage more collaborative and effective learning activities. That is all for me. I have for me. Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you so much Naira for your performance and Ulya for the question. Next speaker we have Kaina. Kaina, please, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Waalaikumsalam. Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me opportunity to be here. My name is Kaina Nanda from Class D at LKP Mr. D Batch 23. The material is students are allowed to choose their own subject. By the way, guys, do you agree with the choice of subject in the school?
Yes.
Yes.
In my opinion, I agree because the first learning is more fun. With the selection of subject, student learning becomes more fun because students choose subject that they like. So, students understand more about the subject they choose. Second, deeper learning. By choosing subject of interest, students can study more focused and in-depth in the areas they are good at. For example, choosing advanced biology and advanced informatics subject, they will study more deeply because in grade 10 there are only general subjects. Third, preparing for the future or dream. Choosing subject relevant to future career plans can help students better prepare for higher education and the world of work. That's all the material from me. Now Q&A session.
Hello, my name Fajar Fatihan Madiana. I want to ask question to Kaina. Why do some people disagree with the choice of the subject? Thank you.
Thank you, Fajia, for the question. In my opinion, maybe they are afraid of choosing the wrong subject. Enough, Fajia?
Enough.
The conclusion, choosing subject you like makes learning more fun and fulfill your dream. Thank you everyone. Sorry for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Kaina, thank you so much for your performance and Fazia for the question, ya. Guys, we have the next speaker or participant. She is Trias. Please, Trias, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me opportunity to be here. My name is Trias Hazni from Class D at LKP Master D Batch 23. To guide my speech and title, schools have a longer school year. Guys, do you like if schools have a longer school year?
No, I don't like.
No. I disagree with that opinion because almost all over the world, the school period reaches 12 years, where the 12 years divided into 3 to 4 stages of education. So, if school more than 12 years, it has a bad impact. Children will feel bored or fed up if they stay at school for too long or go through a monotonous learning routine. Having difficult socializing because of being in school environment and being afraid to adapt. It is difficult to find job because they have been in school for too long. Okay, Q&A session is open.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Raisya Jafarin. I want to ask question to Trias. Why schooling for more than 12 years can cause hard work?
Okay, thanks to Raisa for the question. Because nowadays, looking for job or for work is limited by age. Enough, Raisa?
Enough, Trias. Thank you.
Okay. Conclusion. School is a place to seek knowledge, but you should not stay at school for years because it has a bad impact for health, mental, and future of children. Okay, that's all from me. I apologize if any mistake. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you so much Trias for your performance and Raisya for the question, yeah. And now let's continue to the next participant. We have Serina from Class C, and time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me opportunity to talk. Let me introduce myself. My name is Serina Novitana Hikmat from Class C in FKP Mr. D Batch 23. I would like to present my speech and title Student Learn About Cooking Skill in School. So let's begin. Guys, have you ever had cooking practice at school?
Yes, I have.
Okay, in my opinion, it's very important to learn about cooking skill in school. It's not just about making food, but also equipping students with essential life skill. Why is it important to learn? By learning to cook, students will be able to prepare healthy meals for themselves and their families in the future and reduce their dependence on fast food. Learning to cook also can help students understand balanced nutrition, which is essential to combating obesity and nutrition-related diseases at an early age. Cooking opened the ways various professions in the food and beverage industry, such as a chef in a restaurant, a nutritionist, or even starting your own culinary business. Some popular cooking school in Indonesia, there are often are mentioned the Sage Institute in Surabaya and Bali Culinary Pastry in Bali. That's all about my speech. Now Q&A session is open.
My name is Tiastu Hasni. I want to ask to Serina. Do you like it when the teacher gives cooking assignments?
Okay, thank you Trias for the question. The question is, do you like it when a teacher give cooking assignment? My answer is, I like it when a teacher give cooking assignment because it's really fun and allow me to be creative in trying new recipes. It is enough, Trias?
Enough.
Okay, thank you. In the conclusion, integrating cooking skill into the school curriculum equips students with practical knowledge and shape them into healthier, more independent, creative, and responsible individuals in the future. Okay, that's all about my speech. I apologize if I have any mistake. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
wabarakatuh. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much, Sarina, for your performance, and Trias for the question. Yeah, thank you so much. And guys, the last speaker we have Ulya. Please, Ulya, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Ulya.
First of all, I'd like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me opportunity to be here. My name is Ulyan from the in LKP Mr. D Base 23. I would like to present my speech entitled Student Learn Cooking Skill in School. Do any of you have a hobby of cooking?
Yes, I do.
I agree that students need to learn cooking skill in school. Cooking is one of the most important life skill and is useful for the future. Because, first, cooking can help students maintain a healthy diet. Nowadays, many young people prepare fast food which is not good for their health. By learning to cook, students can choose nutrition ingredients and prepare their own healthy food. Second, when living independently, students will face financial challenges being able to cook. They can save money because they do not need to buy food outside often. And the last, cooking can lead to career opportunities. Early cooking skill might inspire students to become chefs or start food businesses in the future. Alright, that's all about my speech. Now Q&A session is open.
My name is Kira. I want to ask to Uria what is included in fast food?
Fast food include burger, pizza, hot dog, noodles, and nugget. Uh, Thank you, Naira, for asking the question. Enough, Naira?
Enough.
Aduh. On the last conclusion, learning cooking skill in school is very beneficial. It helps students live a healthy and save money in the future. That's all for me. I apologize if I have any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much, Ulya, for your performance, and Naira for the question. Okay, all of you have finished? Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.